Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptosonic. So, dear friends, today in this video, I want to talk about the Impact Foundation. In this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. So, don't skip any part of this video. So, before going to start further review, I would request you if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. Now reinventing philanthropy, IPT token is a brand new way to fund social services and to make our world a better place. Now here you can also check out for the individual. Now you can also claim your IPT token. So dear friends, by connecting your X account and get more token by sharing our values and mission on social media. So simply click on sign in and here you get a post and you need to post on your Twitter account. So it is very easy way to share and you also connect with this amazing platform as well. Now here you can also find out all information and simply click on the post button and it will be posted successfully. So first thing for the individual you can do easily. So next one is for non-profit organization, apply for IPT token funding, become a partner of the Impact Initiative and start rewarding your volunteers with a thank you letter. So plus IPT for their amazing work, apply for your free IPT token for their better volunteer engagement. Now you can also join from here as well. Here we can also learn what is IPT token. So dear fans, it is a charity cryptocurrency used by non-profit and NGOs to reward their volunteers and social workers, and with the help of IPT token, volunteers can now get a warm thank you letter with token that has some monetary value. So this will have non-profit to better engage their volunteers as well. So when volunteers get IPT's a token, they can mint the token into badge of different levels or the proof of community services to be the shared on LinkedIn. So to showcase their skill set, the higher level badge required more IPT's token to mint as well. So alternatively, holders of IPT token can donate their token to any registered charity for tax receipt, and since they are encourage people to donate more through the tax incentive program, holders of IPT token will get more tax credit than the value of their donation, as the Impact Foundation donating alongside them as well. Now here you can also learn more about IPT token as well. Here we can also learn the mint your social badge. So defense, now you got, if you got IPTs, then you can mint your token into badge to show your commitment to community services like that. Share it on LinkedIn to showcase your skill and leave your network of and impact badge are going popularity among Gen Z for enhancing their resumes, strengthening college applications and increasing job opportunities as well. So once you buy IPT token and then you mint the badge, and in this video I will tell you how can you buy it, and now you can earn tax incentives by donating IPT token. So the holder can donate their token to any registered charity and receive tax receipt. Most donation platform can only be a tax receipt for 30% of your donation. Here you donate your platform comparison as well, and here we can also check backed by the donation, redeemable anytime anywhere. So IPT's token monetary value is backed by Impact Foundation's cooperation donations. So with its USDT, Ethereum or CAD, all contributions go to the foundation service, and you can redeem IPT token for its face value in USD at any time as well. Here we can also check out the token mix. All donation will be free of transaction, while other fund transfer in 0.1% transaction fee that go automatically for foundation, treasury and future distribution, and here 10% for tax credit incentives and 45% goes for the NGOs grants, as well as 10% for foundation treasury, as well as 10% for team, 15% for VC and DFS, 10% for marketing as well. Here you can also check the total supply is 90 9.87 million as well. Here we can also check out the partner detail and frequently asked question. If you have any question, you can find out their answer, and if you have any other question, you can make comments and I will reply to all of you as well. So here is official Twitter account. Must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. And the question is that how can we buy this one? So dear friends, I have placed the link of coinscope.co, and here you come on this reliable and trusted exchange, and here you can also buy this token. Here you can also check all information, and here you can also check out the Impact Foundation to USD chart here. So it is making bullish, and you can also check the candle is straight and going up and up. So it is the best time to buy it right now. A lot of people are already buying this amazing coin project token. You must be buy it, and you can hold it, and later you can sort, and you can also use for different purposes like the charity and much more here as well. So must be connect your wallet here right now and buy this right now as well. I also recommended to all of you, so must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates, as well as you can interact with their growing and active community as well. So this is an awesome project that can really help you make a lot of profit as well as your social work. So don't miss this golden chance and must be join this right now. I hope so you like this video. Share your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.